My name is Ogulusi Katrin. I'm making a traditional dish for my uncle and his British wife who will be visiting me today. So my first dish is assorted meat Ila Alasepo, and my second dish is pounded yam. Then my refreshing drink is zobo drink. So these are my ingredients. This is my locust beans, my pomo, my dried fish. This is stock fish. This is salt, maggi, blended crayfish. This is pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. This is my palm oil. This is my yam for my pounded yam. This is my assorted meat and consists of beef and offals. This is snail. This is bitter leaf. For my drink, this is my pineapple, my zobo leaf, and this is my okra for my Ila Alasepo. So if I'm going to be making this delicious meal, the first thing I'm going to make is my refreshing drink. So I'm going to rinse my zobo leaf and put it inside a clean pot. Put my cinnamon, my ginger, my cloves, the back of pineapple, and I'll slice pineapple inside. So while that is cooking, I'm going to prepare for my okra. The first thing I'm going to do is I'll grate my okra and keep in one side. Then I'll cut my meat, my offals, and my beef. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. Then also my snail, I'm going to rinse my snail very well because it's not going to be slimy. Then I'm going to deflake my fish, my dry fish and my stock fish. So I'm going to dice my pomo. So I'm going to cook all this together, then wait for some minutes. After some minutes, I'll put my palm oil into the pot that I used to cook my assorted meat. After putting my palm oil, I'll put my crayfish, my blended pepper, then I'll put my locust beans. While that is cooking, after some time, I'm going to now put my okra. Then I'm going to mix one and wait for some minutes for it to cook. Then I get ready for my pounded yam. I'm going to peel my yam for me to make my pounded yam. I'll peel the yam and put inside a clean pot. Then I will boil it for some minutes until it's a little bit soft, not too soft. Then I'll rinse my mortar and my pestle and I'll pound my yam. Then my delicious meal is ready. Thank you.